Good day, guys. As you all know me, as a mentor, Nasdaq Ninja. So, guys, before I can continue, can you please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can get notified once I upload. So, guys, today I'm going to analyze US30, NAS 100, and USD CAD and Euro USD. You understand? So, I'm gonna just like analyze it. Maybe it can be too beneficial for what is this NFP, because a lot of people think that NFP is going to sell, understand? So it's all about whatever it's gonna happen, man. Like I feel like this I'm not mostly interacted with two fundamentals, and I'm into like trading technical than fundamental, but I still make money off fundamental as well, you understand? Because at the end of the day, it's all about making money make sense, you know. So guys, today I decided to analyze when I stood up, because yo guys, you can't always sit down, man. It's not healthy, you understand? Because you're always on studio sitting down analyzing, yo, like it's crazy, guys, you understand? So at the end of the day, guys, let's jump into the chart and see what we have, you understand? And see what we have. As much as you can see, guys, we are on US30, and you can see that I'm on a weekly time frame already, and which is the nicest thing. What I like doing, guys, I always do the top bottom strategy because it's one of the best strategy for myself, and I prefer it. What I do is, you know, it's not a problem for you guys to come and create your support here and forget about the rest, but for me it's very important because it keeps me consistent and it allows me to do things that I don't want to do, but at the end of the day I do them. You know, I don't have no choice. That is the nicest part about it. So let's go and create places like this. So guys, for more information about my courses and everything, just click the link in the description. Yo, one of the incredible courses you'll never regret purchasing, guys. It's one of the incredible thing. But at the end of the day, even my YouTube can help you. If you're not managing to make money, then that's when you can try going alternative, you understand, and check if you won't be able to get a course and see if you want to improve. But a lot of students have improved. Like I told you guys, more reviews about the course are coming. I'm still waiting for everyone to just get it on it, get certificate, get certified, and become one of the greatest traders I ever seen. Wow, that's great. That's great. Yeah. So here I'm just creating places where when the market touches, the market reverses. Those are the simplest thing. Like, isn't it that simple? This is simple, right? And then when I check, I see that, okay, fine. There's a level that the market is actually like going to this level here. The market, you know, the market will always guide you, especially when you go to the highest time frame. That's how the market has to go. Isn't it that simple? It's really simple. When I look at the market, I see where exactly are you going. Like I told you guys today, I just want to stand up because, you know, I always sit on the market chart. You know, I feel like I'm getting to, so I just want to stand up and record this video as long as possible so that it's part of exercising. You understand? It's like, yo, you stood up for like 30 minutes. Yes. You understand? And next day, guys, we're going to be doing free seminars every province. You know, I don't know about provinces that have like villages far and far than the cities, but I'm gonna try to get there. You understand? Next day, PLK, I'm there. Newcastle, I'm there. Devon, I'm there. Guyana, I'm there. You know, what is this? Zanini, I'm there. I'm everywhere. Like Cape Town, coming for you guys. I'm coming for you guys. You know, guys. Next day is gonna be hot. I'm telling you, let's leave the talking aside and then we do the action, you know, because in English they say talk is cheap. Understand? Actions speak louder than words. So yeah, once it touches there, guys, it will buy to the top side. So let's see what is it that is happening here. Are we gonna create a trend line here? You're gonna create the trend line here. You're gonna create the trend line there. You see how beautiful it is. You see how beautiful it is. It's like now the market wants to get there when a fund 10 can buy. You're actually talking things that you can't do. You gotta find it and get in, man. This is what, like, yo guys, trading it's nice. Let's forget about the rest. What is saying? Okay, let's go for daily time frame and see what is it that we have here. The market, yes, it has a higher probabilities of reversing before it reaches there for retest due to alternative concept like this point here and then the other points here. So I'm gonna just put it like this so they can be like the weakest one. You understand? Whereby they can give us like buying opportunities. You know, when we get into the chart, we're gonna realize why we're saying that. So let's remove this. You know, and then one thing that I'm gonna do is check what is it that I have here. All I had here was this trend line which created 90% rule. I always tell you guys about the 90% rule. You just don't wanna listen. I don't know what to tell you anymore because I always tell you guys about the 90% rule. you just don't want to listen. There is it. 90% rule happened. Let's show you what is 90% rule. So it doesn't matter if it can happen on a monthly time frame. Yes, it's going to respect, you understand? But even if it happens on the smaller time frame, the 90% rule is here. That's where you can end your destination. Can't come and teach you this every day, but you're not acting. Oh, come on, like guys, I need you guys in this game. I need you guys making money. Making money makes sense. You know, making money makes sense, guys. I'm consistently uploading video. Are you guys consistently making profit? Yes or no? You understand? Tell me in the comment section how much you have made since you've been watching these videos, and what concept have you learned, and what do you like about these videos, and what is it that you want us to put more. I feel like that one will be the biggest thing that can help us know each other very well, because you know, I don't know you, you don't know me. So here, one thing that I realized is we had a support here, which probably today we took buying opportunities. Here we milked a little bit. So we locked profit, and then probably came back where we locked profit and click the word locked profit, which is like a good concept. Locking profit, guys, it's a good concept. Doesn't matter the outcome, because at the end of the day, you lose none for doing that. You know, other people don't like it because they say they rather blow than closing zero. I feel like it's best, bro. For me. You know, most of the things that I do, guys, is for me. You know, I don't care about what other people are saying. If you feel like you're against it, yes, it's for you. Do it the way you know. I do it like that. I don't want to lose my capital trying to impress everybody. Right? That's not how I move. So let's check that retest where it is. You see where the retest is? It's like a lot of points. So the market here will be creating, you see here, first touch here, and then we have second touch, and then we have a third touch at that certain zone there. I think it's here. Yeah, we have a third touch at that certain zone. You understand? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our support there. I still see buying opportunities. Like I told you from the other previous videos that buying opportunities are probably strong. Yes, now it's NFP week. Yes, we can see those selling opportunities, but USD price gaining strength. So that's something we gotta like be advised to know. You understand? And then let's go to 60 minutes time frame and see what is it that we have. 60 minutes time frame. And guys, you gotta learn how to interchange this thing. You can't always like trade USDT alone. Trade Nasdaq, try Nasdaq, see what is it that you see on, because you find you see a proper direction on Nasdaq, but you'll be saying Nasdaq doesn't pay. I don't know where do you take that concept. Understand? So this is a place whereby I believe that the market can hit and buy. Understand? So let's put that place there. You understand? So here. So that's where I can actually buy my positions here. You see? So here, that's where I can buy. I like buying where there's like a support or a resistance or a zone. That's where I take my trades. When you say you want me to teach you entry points, that's where I enter my entry points. I can't just come here and say you will reach here. What if you reverse? You know, I'm not that, I don't do guesswork. Understand? So here we're just gonna create another support here. There was a resistance that the market respected there, which is the nicest thing. You know, when I firstly seen support and resistance, it made sense. When I seen it, it was like this. That is the first concept that I learned in the market. You know, when I firstly saw it, it's like it makes sense. When it touches it, buy. When it touches it, sells. You understand? So that's what actually inspired me the most on support and resistance. So if from here you can see that from here, I'm actually, let me just rename this so you can know what I'm talking about. Support, resistant. So guys, if you want to understand why I'm saying this support resistant, because other people, guys, they don't know about it. Yo, hit me up. You don't have to waste time, because if you don't understand why I'm saying this is a resistance, this is a support, now you need a proper mentorship to take you straight from the bottom to the top side, you know, because we can't come here and don't know support and resistance. That's not correct, but we can't judge you. It's possible. So here we're gonna put a weak support here. Say this support can be respected as well. This support can be respected as well. It's weak though, but it can be respected. We're probably waiting for like 1530, right? So we're gonna see it around 1530 on what it's going to do. You understand? So let's go to 30 minutes time frame, which is our last one. We have to be like having an entry point on that one. So I feel like we should enter our buys here. Yes, straight here. Understand?
So probably, guys, we're gonna enter around 16:30. The market will be somewhere around here. If it's not here, probably it will be like giving us specifically buys. But today, 15:30, just buy. Just buy. So we're gonna enter our buys there. Let's put where our buy is gonna be, because you can see it broke, right? It broke. We can't force buys there. We're gonna enter them there, put our stop loss there, our profit, it will be there, the top side, because I know it's a recreation of the, you know, when the support is about to move, this is what it does. It breaks the support that it's been creating the whole week. So what I learned about USD is that it doesn't touch the support 3 times. You know, the third one it touches, but it will break it. It won't be stronger than the second one, because the second one, they feel like you don't see it. You see, first, second, it did what? It didn't break it. The third one is going to break, but it will come back. You understand? That's not the end of the game. We're still gonna come back there at the top side. So we're gonna aim for here as being our proper trade. But 16:30, wherever it comes, if it's still around here, we're still gonna buy. You know, I feel like the sales ain't really like that strong. So we're gonna reverse it. Let's push to NAS 100. Which one should I use here? I don't know which one am I gonna use. Blackpool, yeah, it's fine. Yo, guys, we killed some other buy here, like here, and then it went to the top, touched the resistance, came back. You see, that is the concept that is simple. So from here, you can see that the market today, remember 15:30, these two, they don't take the same direction. It's by luck for them to take the same direction. 16:30. So probably whatever you're going to analyze, you gotta see which direction it's going to take. You understand? If you see a buy on US30, on Nasdaq, it could be like hard for you to see a buy. Yes, they can take same direction on 16:30, don't get me wrong, but it will be difficult for you to see the same. So I always say you gotta know the concept of the two. You know, you understand? If you see them both, enter the one that you trust perfectly. Understand? And then if you see buy on USDT, some other days Nasdaq will sell. Yesterday I saw a buy USDT, Nasdaq sold. Monday I saw a sell on I saw a buy on USDT. I mean on NAS 100, USDT bought, and then Nasdaq sell. Tuesday, same thing. They opposed each other. No, Tuesday they took the same direction. All of them bought, because I bought on Tuesday. Yeah, that was that time I entered here. And then USDT bought a little bit, and then it came back and fallen. So that's how it is, guys. You know, trading is kind of like easy. You know, you just don't have to confuse it. And once you start saying this and that goes the same way, yo, big problem. Big problem. That's where you're gonna become the most confused trader in the trading industry. Imagine you becoming the most, buy. Simple, we buy here. Like, we buy. There is no sales on Nasdaq now. We're gonna buy. 16:30, we're gonna buy Nasdaq. Leave USDT alone, Nasdaq. But it obviously will depend on which one around that time, because we have like too much time to that time. Let's check what time it is. Yo, we still have too much time. We have like 12. We have like 5 hours left. 5 hours left, so you still much time. But that is the main thing of being in the signal group, so you can know, oh, this is the right time, you know, because now you're just gonna jump in and say, hey, don't do that. Wait for New York session to open. Don't just jump in anywhere feeling like, yeah, hey, that's a bigger problem. So I'm gonna just create places where the market touches, the market reverses. As always and normal. That's how it is, you know. Check the beauty. You know, one thing about the market, they're beautiful. When you create zone, you'll understand from this point, there's no way you can be stopped. Check. This is what's the point of the zone from here to here. This is the same thing. You understand? So here, we being catered by this place here, right? The same place that is going to cater us here. So now it makes sense for you. This is how easy the market is. Don't confuse the market. Check the left side. Whatever that happened in the left side, you're going to do in the right side. Remember, maths, that's how it is. That's how it is. You understand? So now I get you really understand where we are actually going. You understand? So here, we're going to enter our buys here. Here we enter our buys here. This is a proper support, retest, breakout, retest, come back. You saw USDT, it was heading to the same place. Unfortunately, Nasdaq arrived. So that is, you know, I like it when the market is so easy like this, you know. This is like easy thing, guys, easy. easy thing. You know, one thing that I didn't like about Nasdaq is when it broke this trend line and came back inside. I don't have no explanation about that, but all I can tell you is just adjust it. Don't use it like that, you know, because it means that one is the right one. This one is the right one. Understand? Check how nice this thing is. Beautiful, right? Now you can see the direction where we're actually going. Easy. Like this thing is super easy. Like, yeah, guys, yo, making money makes it. We're still gonna beg. Yeah? It's December, man. I wanna rest. But when I look at the chart, I'll be like, this December, people are gonna make money if they think correctly. You understand? I don't know about the direction of NFP, the sales or this, that. I'm not sure, but you know, you're gonna check out. So this kind of like a pullback. This is kind of like a pullback. We break. Understand? Nice, clean and easy. You see it, clean and easy. Perfect. You're super perfect, right? It's so perfect. Like when I talk, it's like, oh, Ninja, this is easy. When it's time for action, I don't know why you keep on blowing. You see how beautiful it is? So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cater places where when the market touches, the market reverses. Obviously, you know where did I get this, right? So don't get lost. When you skip, that's where the problem will come. You will be confused. Understand? So now I'm gonna do this. You see why the market is reversing at certain places? That is the reason. We're gonna do this. Oh, check how it bought, bruh. Like H4, the whole H4, like around 8, just open bought, like so beautiful, right? So beautiful. Like the market is beautiful because you can see from here it came here. That's where it has to reverse. Like, check this concept. You moved here, you come here. You move the same place, you coming to the same place. You won't see it. Even if I try to explain it 25 times, you won't see what I'm saying. That is why you need probably someone to come in your head every day and tell you this is how it is, you know. So here probably we're gonna see the market playing around many times. Let's push to 60 minutes time frame. Beautiful buy. Beautiful buy. Beautiful and clean. Like buy. USD buy. Nasdaq buy. And I did say, understand, I did say. And the other thing about USD, I think today on 1630, it might be like slow to move. Nasdaq might move heavily, but we'll see during that time. It's very important to wait for that certain time. But from here, guys, Nasdaq it's a buy. Nasdaq is a clean buy, you know. And you see how risky it's USD to take that buy at that certain time. But trust me, it will be beneficial. The higher the risk, the higher the reward. The lower the risk. Let's check what is USD is doing. The lower the risk, you see this support. Remember this support I told you, the weaker one. It's reversing. So if we do enter our buy, we're in profit. But if the market comes back around here, 1530, enter buys. Like I told you, we don't have to find the market around here, around 1630. We're gonna jump in buys. If it comes here, that's where we're gonna jump in buys. Easy, right? Easy. You don't have to confuse yourself. Nice. This one is so perfect. Like, yo, super perfect. Like, yo, like guys, if I talk about this, we won't end. I'm Nasdaq Ninja for a reason. Spying, like, yo, bro, like you going, like it's going now. It's going to break this. That's a pullback. It's going to break this point now. That's where we're going. We're going to break it hard. Check, yo, easy, man. If you entered around London session, you entered this one, you were still in a good position. You're still in a good position. So now we're gonna jumping into Euro USD. Let's check what Euro USD is happening this side. Okay. Let's reanalyze it. Let's reanalyze it. I see proper buys here. I see proper buys, but they have like a lower high and then lower low. You understand? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So it's like break of structure, change of character. You understand? And then what is it? Let's check probably. Let's check what's happening here. This side, we're actually breaking the structure, right? And then break of structure again, break of structure here. You see, so this is how we have charge, break of structure, charge, break of structure, charge, break of structure. So the day we're gonna break this point, it'll be where we be changing our character. Understand? So that's when we're gonna move to the top side. Understand? So don't think I don't know SMC. You be crazy thinking like I don't know, Brian know everything. so perfect in a way that I know everything. But I ain't gonna use that. I know why. And I've seen a lot of traders using it without no understanding. So I'll be like, oh no. Pure price action for me is the key to success. The reason being is I can trade long-term trades. I don't need to. You saw which time frame I was and what I was looking for. With pure price action, I can get that entry point before we could even wait for that supply to be respected. So that's how it is. That's how it is. But most of the cases don't undermine strategies because you don't know which one will work for you. One of my friend, man, learned most of the things. So sitting with him down, you can learn other strategies and see, okay, you saw there, I just saw higher, what is this? Lower high, lower low. Then I'll be like, oh, okay, let's go and do break of structure, church, break of structure, church, and then change of character. Then I will get the direction of the market. Easy, right? That's how it is, man. Don't confuse yourself. And then one thing that I'm gonna do is I hear people saying, yo, don't learn this strategy. I don't learn to get confused. I can't use them for you. So I just used it like for like just to see what they could be seeing. And I can see that as well. You understand? So obviously for them, they'll wait for change of character. They can't just enter buys without a change of character. Understand? So when they get a change of character, they'll come to the demand, and then that's when they'll enter the buys. Unless it respects church and then it keeps on breaking the structure. I'm just here to impress you guys, to show you that I know what I'm talking about. And someone that knows this strategy be like, you're crazy. This nigga knows what we are doing. I know everything. I've been in the market for like 3 years now, but I know everything. I always like say 3 years, like 2 years and some months. Yeah. So here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna create your support here, and then the other support has to be here. Oh, actually, the market is coming for this support. This is a proper support. You understand? That's where the market has to come and hit the buy, because even at the top, it didn't create a double top. So probably it has to come back here into what and create this one and then move to the top side there. Easy, right? This is how easy it is, guys. This is how it is. Like the market is so easy, man. Just have to give it time. You see, like the market is already buying, man. Already buying. Like it's already buying. Like it's getting another momentum while we are analyzing. So here, I won't create any trend line. Don't get me wrong. Yes, I can see the 90% rule of your trend line, but I won't create it on H4. Let's go to 60 minutes time frame and see what is it that we have this side. This side, let's try to do this. You see how it is. So the only thing that is so important for the market to do now is to break the lower high there. If it can break this point here, we know we are in the most perfect thing. But one thing about me, what I like is I'm going to look for proper support there. Let's do this. Then I'm going to enter on that proper support. Like this. There's it. You see how beautiful the support is? That's where my entry point could have been. Here. This is where your entry point was supposed to be. So when you check, that's how you're gonna move now. So your entry points can be possible here. So in me, we don't actually like wait for the market to move like this and then wait for the market to go here, come back here. Nah, bruh, we know where you're going. So we milk you here. We're gonna milk you here, and then probably we see the market pushing to the top side. Beautiful. Beautiful. So when I trade this ones, I just like it long term. From this point, I'm coming there 90% rule. Once I break here, let me show how will the market actually move. Just the determination can move like this and then move like this, come back, play around, play around, play around, and then move there to the top side. You see, check how beautiful this thing is. So beautiful. So beautiful. So let's go for our last option, USD CAD. What's happening this side? What's happening? So if you can check this side, now we have different story. You understand? So we are we are actually like breaking the high. You understand? So we are breaking the high. So if you can check, this is the way we broke here. You understand? And then we're gonna break again here. So you see, now it's a verse. We're breaking the bottom side, now we're breaking the top side. So from here we broke here, and then we want to break this one. This is our church here. And then We want to break this one there, and then he wants to break this one. You know, people who trade essence will be like, we told you, this nigga know this. Yeah, I know it, but it's not like one of the most thing that, you know, for me to get an advice from it, it's kind of like too good, but it's not like gonna give me like proper entries. So what I do is I seen what you are actually doing. You haven't broke like here, and then that's why you can change character if you break. What you're gonna do, you go to the weekly time frame. That's a mixture, right? That's the mixture. We check what is happening here. Probably since it's a currency, we need to go to the monthly time frame as well and check what is it that we have on a monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, this is what we have, guys. We have our highest point here, and then our current highest point and our current lowest point. So if you can see, the market been consolidating here since 2016. Wow, that's so good. But we can see that, okay, later on, the market will be buying. Understand? So one thing that we're gonna check is USD CAD. That one is Euro USD. So there's no way we can get the same direction. You see what we're talking about now. That's when now you need to learn the market. I showed you we can't get the same direction. So let's analyze this thing. That's when you can see if things are going to be broken or not broken. So let's create places whereby the market touches the market. On currencies, guys, don't create a lot of them. They will confuse you. Create few of them. When the market touches, the market reverses. These are the places here. Easy, right? And then now we're going to create a trend line here and say there's a trend line there. We are men of trend lines. Remember, we are pure price action traders. And people, when they get to a trend line, they be like, he said 3 touches, enter. No, you can't just enter the market while it's buying. No, wait for confirmation, enter. Now you get it, that the person that when you don't know how to trade, that is why I say don't undermine other strategy, learn them. When you have time, learn those strategies. Maybe they could be a breakthrough. Who knows? My breakthrough was pure price action. I don't know which one is yours. You understand? There's a lot of strategies here. There's a lot. But don't confuse yourself while learning. Learn one strategy. You go once you leave the other strategy, you see, I can put all of them in one basket. It's not possible for a person that is starting to put all of them in one basket. It's not possible. Hence, it's not. You don't have to do that. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Monthly is kind of like giving us buys, but we know very well that's a sell. Understand? We already know, right? We already know that we're gonna change of character that certain position. So if you can check here, we touched, and if you can check, we touched 2022, we touched 2023. So sells are still open here. So rather than the market pushes to the bottom and come and reverse there, not where it's at. It can't reverse in the middle of the way. So we're gonna come here and create a trend line. I see a proper trend line here, which probably our change of character could have like happened. Yeah, it happened, already happened, because this was our break of structure there, and then it failed, and then come and broke here, change of character there. So somewhere here on the retest, gone. Yeah, talk like a machine. You have to be fast. Just to show that you know what you're talking about. You see, this is how it is here. This is where the market actually like broke everything here. Here. Correct me if I'm wrong. Like, correct me if I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, you'll be like, yeah, Ninja, you're wrong. I'm super correct. But you know, one thing about you, you're so confused. How do I even know such things? Guys, like, there's nothing that is different to pure price action. Pure price action is the one, it's the root of the market. It's the root of the market. You understand? But you know, as much as I'm still here, I don't know how long I'm gonna wait here. Probably even here, I can just start selling. You understand? So let's go and check what is it that is happening on the other time frames. So yeah, I feel like somewhere around this side, we're gonna start selling, you know. We're not, and I don't like saying I'm gonna wait for the nah, that's a lie. So that's what your strategy is. No, it's kind of like coming from there, moving straight to the bottom side. That's how I'm gonna move. So here, what we think we're gonna do is we're gonna create our 90% rule again. And with double bottom, with double top, it will be like one of the beautiful thing. So probably if the market will respect correctly here, it will move. So here you can wait for it to break this point here or break there, then you enter sell. So guys, at the end of the day, guys, I told you I'm gonna stand up for like 30 minutes and I'm so tired. Let's meet on another video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this one. You know, one thing about my advice today, it was like, don't undermine other strategies. Other people are making money with other strategies. If this is not working for you, change the page. One of the biggest thing. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's meet on another video. Yo. Nigga, make sure to 30 minutes. Yo. Yes, yes. Hey. Hey. Yo. Shele. Michelle.